Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool little setup. This here is a security camera system or can be used as a baby monitor, works on 2.4 gig or 5 gig, has two-way communication, 4 megapixel camera. I mean, it's got it all. This is super easy to set up. Out of the box, you actually have two cameras that were synced with this unit already. Once I connected that to my Wi-Fi, it was very, very simple to do. You now have access to click on these cameras, bring them in. It's an extremely clear picture. And the part that I like is the fact that it has very good signal strength and it has two-way communication. I've got my daughter here because I actually wanted to take these. These are actually individual cameras that work off of a battery, but they can be charged either plugged into a USB-C, or they do provide you with these, which is a little solar panel that you could hook it in there just to kind of keep that topped off if you're going to have this plugged in outside, which is absolutely fantastic. That way you're not having to run power cables for these. But I'm going to go ahead and send her with those and go put those outside somewhere so that we can go ahead and look at this. And as we're doing that, I wanted to show you about the base on this. Now this does have a base that is mounted, that it does come with a pad that you can adjust up or down on the base, which is nice, along with the antennas. That base also can be mounted on the back side of this if you're wanting to mount that on a wall. But again, as you can see here, the actual cameras themselves are getting walked around. Picture quality is fine. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here. And you can see outside, which is great. And with the other one, I'm going to go ahead and talk to my daughter here if I can get this going here. And you actually push this and, hey, can you hear me over there? Yes. So you got push this here, you can talk two-way communication. I can talk to her and she can hear me and then she can say something back. So works really good. It does have a nice sound feature with that, and it does allow you to go ahead and zoom in, zoom out, rotate the camera, everything on that. So really clear picture. Loving the fact it's a very simple to use touch screen on this, which is great. Again, you can have a pad you can provide to the bottom of that as well. And all the accessories to mount those cameras are included in the box. So you have all the mounting hardware, all the extra cables, everything comes as this is a complete kit. This would work well as a security system or as a baby monitor, would work well in pretty much anyone's home.